Welcome to Future in Finance. If you're tired of empty hype and want practical systems that actually work, you're in the right place. Today's video is titled, How AI Can Make You a Millionaire in 2025. No hype, just systems. We'll cut through the noise, look at how artificial intelligence is changing the way people earn, invest, and build businesses, and show you step by step how to turn AI into a real financial tool. So get ready, because the future of money is here, and it starts right now. Imagine opening your laptop and seeing that money came in while you slept. Not because you won the lottery, and not because you posted a random viral clip. It came in because you built a simple system, powered by AI, that keeps working even when you don't. Today I'm going to show you the exact structure of that system, the 3 places AI multiplies your output, and a practical plan you can start this week. Most people treat AI like a toy. They ask it to write a paragraph, then they give up when it sounds generic. The truth is, AI only becomes powerful when you combine it with a high CPM topic, a repeatable format, and a monetization stack. Think of this like building a tiny media company. Your job is the strategy. AI is the team. Let's begin with the foundation, choosing the right topic. If you want real money from YouTube ads and sponsorships, you need categories where advertisers pay more. Finance, business tools, software, productivity for entrepreneurs, and health optimization are historically strong. The easiest on-ramp for a brand new channel is the intersection of finance and tools, content like how to build cash flow systems with AI, automating boring business tasks, or beginner investing, but smarter with AI screeners. These topics pay more per view and attract sponsors who actually have budgets. Now, how does AI help you build this? There are 3 multipliers. Multiplier 1, speed of content creation. With a tight prompt and a simple outline, AI can draft 5 video scripts in the time it used to take you to outline 1. But don't publish the raw draft. Use AI to generate the bones, then add your angle. Ask it for 3 counter-arguments, 2 case studies, and the most common mistakes people make. When you mix your judgment with AI's speed, your content stops sounding generic and starts sounding inevitable. Multiplier 2, data and visuals. AI can summarize research, turn bullet points into charts, and create story-driven visuals. People learn faster when they can see ideas. Even simple graphics, like a flywheel, a profit stack, or a before and after workflow, dramatically increase watch time. You don't need Hollywood, you need clarity. Multiplier 3, distribution. AI can write 50 title variations, score them for curiosity, and help you choose thumbnails that trigger clicks without feeling like clickbait. It can repurpose the same video into a short, an email, and a LinkedIn post. Suddenly, one idea becomes 5 assets, and each asset pulls new viewers back to your channel. Let's put this into a system you can actually run. I call it the 4-part AI cash flow engine. Discover, script, produce, and monetize. Discover. Every week, pick 1 to 3 questions your audience actually cares about. Use AI to scan top-performing videos, Reddit threads, and product reviews. Ask, what are people still confused about? And what promise kept them watching? Turn those answers into working titles. Aim for specific outcomes like automate client onboarding in 1 afternoon, or the simple AI dashboard that shows your real profit. Script. Write for retention. Hook with a clear promise in the first 10 seconds. Then identify the villain, confusion, wasted time, or hidden fees. Show the plan, 3 to 5 steps, each with an example. Pre-answer the skeptical questions your viewer is thinking. Is this risky? Does this cost money? What if I'm a beginner? Close with 1 action they can complete today. Produce, record voiceover with a confident, friendly tone. Use clean visuals, simple typography, screen captures, and a few tasteful stock shots. Add captions. Keep cuts quick, but let important ideas breathe. The goal isn't fancy, it's momentum. You're building trust, not a music video. Monetize. Don't wait for 100,000 subscribers. Add monetization from day one. Use affiliate links to tools you actually demo in the video. Offer a free checklist or template that viewers can download by joining your email list. That email list becomes your direct path to sponsorships and your own digital products. When sponsors show up, price with confidence. Your niche is valuable. To make this real, let's walk a mini case study. Imagine Sarah, a solo creator. She picks a niche, AI for freelancers and small agencies. She publishes weekly videos like set up an AI proposal generator in 1 hour and automate client follow-ups with this simple workflow. In each video, she shows exactly how to do it using 1 or 2 tools. She includes affiliate links plus a free template as a lead magnet. After 8 weeks, she has 8 high-quality videos, a few thousand views each, and an email list of people who actually tried her templates. A small SaaS company notices she's driving trials and asks to sponsor the next video. The payoff didn't come from luck. It came from a repeatable system targeted at a valuable audience. Of course, there are risks. The biggest one is publishing forgettable content. If your video can be summarized as AI is cool, use it, you'll lose. You need to promise and deliver 1 concrete transformation per video. Another risk is tool hopping. Switch tools only when you've outgrown them. Consistency beats novelty, and beware of compliance and finance topics. Don't make guarantees, don't give personalized advice, and be clear when something is a demonstration, not financial advice. You can be responsible and still be compelling. So what should you actually do this week? Here's a simple sprint. Day 1. Brainstorm 5 titles that promise a tangible result. Examples. Automate your invoice tracking in 1 afternoon. The 3-account system that keeps creators profitable. Or turn 1 video into 5 income streams with AI. Day 2. Draft 2 scripts. Ask AI to generate an outline, then refine it with your voice. Add 1 story, 1 chart, and 1 objection handling section to each. Make sure every step ends with a micro win the viewer can do immediately. Day 3. Record the voiceover and assemble visuals. Aim for 7 to 10 minutes per video. Done is better than perfect, but clarity is non-negotiable. Day 4. Upload the first video. Write 10 title options and pick the one that balances accuracy and curiosity. In the description, include the tools you used, your free checklist, and a 1-line promise that matches the hook. Day 5. Publish the second video and schedule a short that teases the best moment. Send an email to your tiny list. Yes, even if it's 10 people. Momentum starts small. If you repeat this sprint for 8 weeks, you won't just have a channel, you'll have a catalog. And catalogs compound. 1 great video helps the next one rank. Your templates get shared, your list grows, sponsors stop being a fantasy and start being negotiation practice. Before we wrap, let me give you a simple monetization stack you can copy. First, affiliate links to the exact tools you demonstrate. Second, a free resource that requires an email like the AI Business Operating System, 7 checklists. Third, a low-ticket digital product such as a template pack. Fourth, sponsorships. Once you have steady views in a valuable niche. And finally, a premium offer. Maybe a cohort workshop once your audience is asking for deeper help. You don't need all 5 on day 1. Start with the first 2 and grow into the rest. Here's the mindset shift that separates winners from dabblers. Don't ask, will AI make me money? Ask, which valuable problem will I solve every week, and how will AI help me solve it faster? Money follows usefulness. AI just lets you be useful at scale. So, will AI make you a millionaire in 2025? It can, if you stop treating it like a gadget and start using it like a system. Pick a high-value niche. Publish 1 transformation per week. Monetize from the first video. Build a list that you control and keep going when the views are small. Because the compound effect is coming. The future won't reward the loudest, it will reward the most helpful at scale. Use AI to become that. Thank you for watching Future in Finance. Don't forget to subscribe and press that like button to spread the word.